What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're taking a look at a Boombox. So this Boombox was given to me as a Christmas gift. I'm just now getting around to opening this up and trying it out. Back when I grew up I was born in the 60s and came up during the 70s and 80s. These were pretty popular, especially when I was in high school in the 80s. So I mentioned this to my wife. I was looking on Amazon and I saw this. And I just mentioned, I said, man, I remember having those as a kid. And Christmas, under the Christmas tree, Christmas Day was this. Now, back in the day when we had them, they were much bigger than this. This is kind of a smaller version right here. But this is the QFX MP3 Boombox. The model number is J220BT. Now, you can pick this up for $42.20. They were a little bit more than that back in the day when I came around. You can get this in different colors, black, red, and turquoise. And I'll definitely drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick this up. So some of the features and details. This is a MP3 conversion from radio to cassette. So I'm looking forward to doing that. It has 4-band radio, AM, FM, SW1, and SW2. This is Bluetooth capable as well. So you're going to be able to play your music from different devices, hooking up through Bluetooth, like your phones and stuff like that, tablets. It has dual 3-inch speakers, has built-in microphone, has a recorder, and it has a 3-band EQ. So that all is in there, a few of the specs right there, and it's going to weigh 4 pounds or less, so it's not going to be very heavy. So those are a few of the features that we're going to get into more as we get into the Boombox here, but here's a picture of the device right here. Yeah, see, it's going to be a nice little compact boombox. Some of the same stuff I read off over here. Radio and cassette recorder with USB, SD, and MP3 player. So you're going to be able to hook up all of that stuff there. And then let's take a look at the back of the box. And it's going to be telling you pretty much the same thing. Bluetooth streaming, portable for on the go, convert music to MP3. I have a bunch of cassettes that I would like to put over on the little thumb drives. So what I'm going to do is get this out of the box. We'll come back and take a look at it. All right, guys, so we're back in. This is everything that was in the packaging in the box. So you're going to get your instructions manual here. You guys see right here, it's giving you a breakdown of every button, knob, or everything that's on the device here. Breaks that down, give you some other important information as well. So you got that in there. You're going to have your power cord. Now this operates by AC power and D-size batteries, D-cell batteries. So I was hoping it had a lithium ion rechargeable battery, but it doesn't. So here's the very nice little device made out of plastic, has a nice good weight to it, evenly balanced, a nice fold down handle right here. It's made out of all plastic, even the handle and everything. You're also going to have a telescopic antenna, which is really old school right there. We used to catch a lot of great radio stations right there with that. And going around the device, here it is. As you guys see, very compact, small in comparison to my hand. It is tiny. So looking at the top of it, you got your 3-band equalizer here. One-touch recording. So you got bass, middle, and treble. You got all of your controls here for your cassette player. Pause, stop, eject, fast forward, reverse, play, and record. And the way you open up to put the cassette in, just push the eject button, and you see that opens up, and that's where you put your cassette. So this knob, button or slider right here, for radio, Bluetooth MP3, tape, and radio off. And then you got your band select here, FM, AM, SW1, SW2. You got your volume control there. Says UM1 battery AC built in. And then looking at this side, you got your tuner knob. And that's to tune in your different radio stations right here. You're also going to have your headphone jack and your DC power in right there. And then on the front of it, we're going to have our 2 tweeters. You got a LED level indicator right here. That's going to let you know your power. And probably when you're playing a song or something, that light is going to be bouncing to make it look pretty good. Of course, you got your area there to tune your radio. You got the 2 tweeters, like I mentioned. You have your 3-inch speakers there. I wouldn't call them woofers. Got a little branding right there. And you got your cassette player here. And then down here, you got your 4-band radio cassette recorder. You got some buttons here to do each one of those. Record to MP3, record, delete, and fast forward and reverse. I will check out and let you guys know exactly what these buttons are for. You got your MP3 mic, your Bluetooth record MP3 play. That's another LED right there. USB-A, your SD card slot right there as well. Now on the bottom, here it is, no rubber feet. So wish they had that. And then on the back, this is where you put your batteries. Battery compartment, type D batteries. And this is where you plug in your power cord right there. So very nice, all plastic, but looks retro, man. This really takes me back just on a smaller scale. I had one that was probably way bigger than this. I know it was. But yeah, man, very nice. I'm gonna try it out. We're gonna get this powered up and check it out. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have put some batteries in this. Batteries add a little weight, not bad. The device not that heavy at all. Batteries in the compartment there. Now remember, you can also use your AC power there. So let's go ahead and check out this device here. We're going to bring the antenna up a little bit. We're going to try out the radio. See if we can tune something in.
Packet, Dr. Nurse.
You guys see? You can use the tuning knob here to catch different stations, so that works great. We will talk about the sound quality in a minute once we get to something else. So I do have a cassette in here from the Motowns, so let's go ahead and try that out, see how that works.
3 times a lady.
And as you guys see, it plays great. And the way you put the cassette in there, like I said earlier, you just take it, drop it in. Now you can't drop it in like this. It's got to be just like this. Drop in like that. And that's how you play that. So let's go ahead and try out the USB stick. See how it works. So you just drop that in like that. You're going to move your knob up.
USB.
That's going to say that is USB. And it gets loud, guys. Not a lot of bass, but it gets loud. So check this out. So it's very loud. This is non-copyright music. So I can swap to the next, I can skip to the next track by pushing this button. You guys see? This button right here.
That's how I got that heat. Let's go.
So I can go to the next one. Now it kind of distorts on selections that have a lot of bass. It will distort on you. So, but it sounds great. I mean, for the price of it, it sounds good. So next we're going to try our SD card, and it's got a slot right here. Goes in just like that. That's the SD. Now you put it in the same position right there.
SD.
It's going to announce that it's the SD. You can skip. Give you a little LED right there to let you know what's playing.
Perfect.
But it sounds good, man. And you can turn that off right there. So overall, I think this is pretty good. Now, the feature that I'm looking forward to using is recording from my cassette to either USB or SD card. All right, guys, so one more thing we need to talk about is pairing this Bluetooth from your phone, your tablet, or whatever device you want to pair with it. Bluetooth, very easy. You take this selector here, you put it in the Bluetooth pairing mode, which is going to be in the middle.
Bluetooth.
It's going to tell you that it's
Connected.
it's connected. Now, I've already connected it to my Pixel Fold. Very easy to do. You go into your Bluetooth settings and you pair with a new device. It says right there. So you guys see mine is already paired with the QFX J-220BT. Inside of this, you have a few options. You can forget it, disconnect, toggle on spatial audio, media audio, and allow access to contacts and call history. So very easy to pair. And you can play your different selections from here. So let's go ahead and pick something out. Just like that, you can listen at your favorite music from your phone through the speakers on there. Or like I said, you can use your SD or your USB drive as well. So sounds great. Great little device here for tailgating, taking out to the park, have it in on your desk, wherever you want to have it, because it's very lightweight and small. And for us, we got things like Mardi Gras coming up, stuff like that. Very nice, man, compact, and has some great sound for certain occasions. So I will definitely leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H. I'm out.